Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Camry AC filter. First, ensure you have the correct replacement cabin air filter for your model. You will also need a few simple tools, like a small screwdriver, though often none are required. Always perform this maintenance on a level surface with the engine completely off for safety. This quick task can significantly improve your vehicle's air quality and AC performance. Now let's access the filter. Begin by completely emptying your glove compartment. Next, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release the stoppers, allowing it to swing down further. This will expose the rectangular cabin air filter housing, typically located behind the glove box. You will see 2 or 3 small clips holding the cover in place. Unclip these carefully. With the housing cover removed, you can now see the old cabin air filter. Gently pull it straight out. Notice the arrows on the side of the old filter. These indicate the direction of airflow. It is crucial to install the new filter with its arrows pointing in the same direction, usually downwards. Slide the new filter into the housing, ensuring it sits flush and securely. Almost done. Carefully place the filter housing cover back into position and secure all 2 or 3 clips. Next, lift the glove compartment back up, guiding the side stoppers back into their original slots. Gently push the glove box closed until it latches securely. You have successfully changed your Toyota Camry's cabin air filter, a simple task that takes about 10 to 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.